So this is just a quick video outlining how you complete the reading log assignments. So for every class meeting, there will be a set of readings assigned. And for those set of readings, there will be a group assigned to do reading logs. So even though you're going to be reading everything that's assigned, so this is just a quick video that will outline how you complete the reading log assignment. So for every set of readings for homework, some groups will be assigned reading logs. So of course you'll read everything that's assigned, but you won't always have a reading log due. But when you do, all you do is take this template that you can find on Canvas, and I'll show you where in a second, and you fill it out. So you'll put your name, class day and time, title of the text, the author, and then the page numbers of that selection if it's in the textbook. And most of the assigned reading is going to be from the textbook. And then you'll choose 3 to 4 different lines or sections or reading questions to apply to this text. So maybe you'll choose a line from the text, and then you're going to talk about, in the right column, the element or aspect of American literature present in these lines. Or maybe you're going to choose a reading question, and then you're going to respond to that reading question in this column. So let me give you an example. This example is also on Canvas for you to access. So we filled out our name. I'm a star student. This is when our class meets. This is the text, The Awakening by Kate Chopin. It's on these pages in the text. Now, The Awakening by Kate Chopin is actually a British text, so I chose it because it doesn't really apply for our class, but I'm using it as an example. So let's say you choose this line and you give the page number from that text. You're going to number each, right? And then in the right-hand column, you'll have a corresponding number so I know which applies to which, because sometimes this will be really short and this side will be really long. But anyway, so you're going to number it, and then you're going to tell me which element or aspect of American literature is present in these lines. For example, in these lines, this is an indication of the third-person narrator. This was a common narration style of abolitionist literature as it built the objectivity of the author and thus his, her, their credibility. Okay. Maybe you're going to ask a reading question. What makes this text particularly American? And then you're going to respond here. The abolitionist movement addressed in this text was uniquely American. The abolitionist movement gained much traction in England, but was distinctly an American issue. And then you'll just keep going. So again, you'll choose 3 to 4 different lines or sections or reading questions for 5 of the assigned readings. You don't have to do a reading log for all of the assigned readings because some weeks you'll have, 10 different reading selections. You don't have to do a reading log for all 10. You choose 5, and then you do 3 to 4 different sections of that text or 3 to 4 different reading questions. So you can look at the reading questions and apply one of these or 3 to 4 of these to this text. Or you can look through these literature terms, maybe protagonist or connotation or dramatic monologue, and you can apply it to that text. All this information is on Canvas. So if you go under course information, here's the reading log template that I showed you. Here's the example that I showed you. And there's the literary terms here. And then the reading questions will also be up here as well. So hopefully that helps you complete this assignment, the reading logs. And if you have any questions, of course, you have a number of different options. You can ask a classmate. You can come to my office for me to outline for you. You can watch this video again, or you can go on to the discussion boards and you can write a post and you can pose your question, and the first student to answer your question correctly earns extra credit. So that's my number one go-to, is if you have a question, post it on a discussion board. That way you give your classmate an opportunity to earn extra credit. But hopefully this will be clear to you, especially as we go along throughout the semester and you complete this assignment.